Hello and welcome to the Hello Crafts YouTube channel. My name is Stanley Jackson and I have just brought out my brand new Stancan crochet kits. Behind me are all of them. There's two ranges, the Snuggle Buddies and the Dino Buddies. Each range consists of 5 crochet kits. I've got one here and let's unpack it. This is Shaun the T-Rex. In your crochet kit you get your toy stuffing, your detailed crochet pattern, 2 crochet hooks, a 3.5 and an 8mm crochet hook. You then get your teal blue yarn and 200 grams of spring green in the yarn Hello Love. These kits are only £19.99 and you can buy them all on the Hello Crafts website. Each crochet kit has a very good meaning to me, and each name is named after someone who has helped me along my crochet career. Shaun here is named after my dad, and he has been there throughout all of my crochet journey. Let's have a look at another Stancan kit. Here we have is Helen the Triceratops. She is named after the person who owned a yarn shop that I used to go to, and she has helped me all the way along my crochet career, bringing out my confidence. Another one of the dinosaur crochet kits is Charlotte the Brontosaurus. Charlotte is named after my auntie, and she was the one who pushed me to continue my passion for crochet. The fourth one out of all of the dinosaurs is Wendy the Apatosaurus. Wendy is named after my nan, and she is the person who actually taught me how to crochet, and she is the person who gave me the biggest confidence boost out of everyone. And the last dinosaur in the Dino Buddies range is Terry the Pterodactyl. Terry is named after Helen's dad, and he is the person who made me feel accepted to be a boy in this crochet community that is, at the moment, typically for women. These crochet kits are perfect for beginners, with step-by-step guide videos to help you along the way. The link for all of the videos is in the description. Make sure to head over to the Hello Crafts website to buy your crochet kit now.